Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Today is Saturday. I think it's October 22nd. The week ended already yesterday, Friday. So doing a small video uh, recapping the whole week. So let's get it started. This is Euro Aussie on the 17th. You can see the dates on the right hand side. Is the trades using only my Magic IB system. So this is a 20-minute chart. There was an entry here, and see all went down all the way. This is an Aussie USD 20-minute chart entry on the 17th, went up, and this is pound USD again. Getting bullish and giving the entry, went up on the 18th October, and this is a USD yen on the 19th. You can see uh, drop here after not making higher high, and came down all the way. And this is Euro Aussie 20-minute chart entry. I went down even further, more than 200 pip. This is on the 19th. Okay, here is go. This is the Friday trade, more than 200 pip, and then this is the current entry. That was the old one. And this is the current entry, and which is taken from 20-minute chart. I think I have the chart here. Okay, here. This is the 20-minute. Okay, so this is the entry from the 20-minute chart showing went down all the way, breaking these levels, and and so this is there's another folder and with different trades here. Pound Aussie on the 19th. No, not the 19th. I even have from the 17th starting here. So Pound Aussie. This was a trade on the 17th of Pound Aussie. Okay. Before that was the week before the Friday. This was the entry for more than 200 pip. Then this was the entry. Was in progress right now, more than 25 pip. And Pound Aussie. Then this trade was closed, and this is another entry on touching this level again, 60.48, and giving me this is the entry. She is showing the entry, and you'll see the trade later. I think it's a little bit further on a Pound Aussie. This went down all the way this line. Okay, remember this line here. Okay, 58.78, right? My entry. This was the target. So watch. This is coming down here slowly, and then touches the target. 58.70. Okay, so how do I get these numbers and these targets? And I write that. I didn't write this number here, but it's written on my weekly chart. So this is WH. This is weekly high 60.48, and different highs and lows. I write down on the charts, and those are the starting points and the targets. And also on the 19 you can see Euro Yen drop. This was an entry, beautiful harmonic pattern type of thing here, right? And then drop all the way. This went down to more than 100 pip here. Okay, and this is Pound Aussie I just showed you. Hit the 58.78. When it was hitting that, I was doing a webinar, live webinar, and in front of everybody, I closed the trade. And a lot of people were asking, why did you close the trade at 58.78? Because that was a big level, and I was expecting a bounce. And believe me or not, from there we bounced already more than 200. I'll show you later. You can see it. And then again, this was the 19th, and on the 21st, and this was the entry, and went. See, this is the 58.78. So we start bouncing from here. I took this entry too, but it didn't make me any pips. I just got out break even. This up move knocked me out. And it's okay, no problem, no loss, no gain. That's fine. But this one gave me some pippage, and I closed it very fast because suspecting that 58.78 is probably the lowest we're gonna go for now, and we may see some more high highs. And look at this chart. You can see, I mean, last week, Friday, more than 200 pips. Then it gave me 74 pips. Then it gave me 136 pips. And then 90 pips. So all of these trades, and then you have Euro Aussie, this one on the 20th, and it went down to this. and the 21st. This one also gave me 100 pip. Okay, so, and I think this is the end of this one. No, this is euro yen again on 20th. You see this trade? I forgot to write down here the this sell and then arrow and all that. But there was a nice entry and it went down on the 21st, hitting this area here, this low, perfectly, by the tip, by the pip here to this low here, exactly. So these are the trades, a lot of them. It's not that I didn't lose any trade, but my entry, you can see if I can show you here. See this entry here, if I make an entry, I put a stop loss right behind it. 30 pip, 25 pip, 30, 35 pip, sometimes 35 pip. If I'm opening from 40-minute chart, but on a 20-minute chart, usually, if you, I don't know if I can, you see this is the entry, well, again, it's a 40-minute. So this is the entry, this is the SL. If it goes in my way a little bit, like here, 25, 30 pip, I come down and sit on break even. So that if it goes back and take me out, that's fine. I don't lose anything. So obviously, if I have a few of those, it just doesn't mean anything to me, and it's not worth showing and wasting time, because it's just that my setup, and I'm showing you. Um, Maybe here. You see this? This is how it is. This I moved the SL later on, but the entry, most of them I did record the charts after I moved the SL. I don't have any 20-minute chart. You see, this is already I moved the SL. I wanted to show you the exact, but maybe I didn't save those any of those charts right when I made the entry. But this is how it is. If I make the entry, I just place an SL right behind it. 25 pip, 30 pip, that's all. And then when I go a little bit in profit, move the SL and set in the break even. And that's it. So even if you lose maybe 2 or 3 trades like that, 25 pip each, that's 70, 80 pips. But look at when you're right, when I'm right, how much I'm cashing in. This trade from here only until here is more than 200 pip, and then the second entry again 200 pip. That's 400 pip right here, one pair within a week. And I showed you so many others. So start counting the pipage, and this is it's easy to learn. If you go on my website, if you want to um, subscribe and be a part of it, this is a video the week before. I'm gonna replace it, the one I'm making now, but you can watch this video as well and look at some of these trades, and some of these. See, this is a pound Aussie weekly chart. I made this on 24 March, and then saying that it's gonna drop from here to here. Look at the chart below. It came down exactly where I said it. It's gonna come down, and you know how many pips these are. This is a weekly chart, and you can see it for yourself. Open your chart, MT4, and you can see it. This is 4,500 pip, 4,500 pip drop, and I predicted here in March, and in October we got it. We hit the target. And similarly, I teach you how to get these Aussie, not Aussie, but index charts, individual currency charts, where if you know what's happening, for example, here, I said, well, this Aussie dollar is going to go up the index. So Aussie dollar will get strong. And obviously, if Aussie on the right-hand side and getting strong, that pair is going to drop. So that's why pound Aussie and euro Aussie been dropping for a long time, because Aussie index was keep going up. And here was the last time I made this 40-minute chart. You can see pointing to the upside and went up, right? And then I got my shorts on pound Aussie and euro Aussie. No need to go long, because your analysis. So I teach you how to do the analysis, and I'll give you all the EAs, indicators, to open these 40-minute charts and 20-minute charts. And there's a lot of videos explaining how you take the entries, how you set up your charts, where you get these levels, white lines, horizontal lines, weekly highs, lows, monthly highs, lows. And believe me, they're like see this one, this was a weekly low. I just showed you on pound Aussie chart level 58.78. Similarly, here is a big number 47.16 on Aussie index. The price came down, hit that, and reverses. It's beautiful. Okay. So if you know these numbers, if you learn, the market will be 100% under your control. Okay, and you would know what is happening and why it is happening and what you should do next. Okay, so if you like what you see, go on my website and you can subscribe. It's either credit card or PayPal or whatever, and it's nothing. $50 a month is just nothing. It's peanuts compared to what you're gonna get from. Look at this. 200 here, 74 here, 136. And Euro Aussie gave you more than 400 pip in a week. If you're using one standard lot, 400 points means $4,000. Okay. But anyway, so this is it for now. And like I said, if you want to be a part of it, go and subscribe from our website. And let's get ready for the next week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.